Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're diving into a fascinating topic that showcases Japan's incredible leadership in robotics as of 2026. Japan has long been recognized as a pioneer in robotics innovation, but in recent years their advancements have reached new heights. From humanoid helpers to industrial automation, Japan is setting the global standard for what robots can do and how they can seamlessly integrate into our daily lives. If you're passionate about future technology, robotics, AI, or just want to understand how Japan is shaping the future, this video is for you. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest in tech and innovation. Let's start by exploring how Japan's robotics industry began and what has driven their leadership in this field. Japan's journey in robotics dates back to the 1970s, with government support, corporate investment, and a culture that embraces technology and innovation. Companies like Honda, SoftBank, FANUC, and Toyota have been at the forefront, developing robots that range from industrial machines to humanoid companions. In 2026, Japan's robotics ecosystem is more advanced than ever. Their robots are not just tools for manufacturing. They are companions, caregivers, and even partners in healthcare and service industries. The country's focus on integrating robotics into everyday life is driven by demographic shifts, especially Japan's aging population. With a shrinking workforce, robots are becoming essential to maintaining productivity and social stability. Now let's look at some of the key types of robots Japan is leading with in 2026. First, humanoid robots. Japan has made remarkable progress in creating robots that look and act remarkably human. These humanoids are equipped with advanced sensors, facial expressions, and speech recognition software. They can perform tasks such as greeting customers, assisting in hospitals, or even providing companionship to seniors. Companies like SoftBank's Pepper and Honda's Asimo are now more sophisticated than ever, capable of engaging in natural conversations and understanding emotional cues. In the United States, these humanoid robots are starting to find their way into elder care, customer service, and even hospitality industries. The potential to improve quality of life and reduce labor shortages makes Japan's innovations highly attractive on a global scale. Next, industrial robots. Japan has dominated manufacturing automation for decades, and in 2026, their industrial robots are more precise, efficient, and adaptable. Factories in Japan utilize robots that can assemble everything, from cars to electronics, with minimal human oversight. FANUC's latest robotic arms can perform complex tasks, like delicate electronics assembly or heavy-duty welding, all while maintaining safety standards and reducing costs. American manufacturers are increasingly adopting Japanese robotics technology to stay competitive in global markets. The integration of AI-driven robotics with IoT systems allows factories to operate with unprecedented efficiency, predictive maintenance, and flexibility. Now let's talk about service robots. Japan's service robots are designed to assist in public spaces, airports, hotels, and healthcare facilities. In 2026, these robots are equipped with AI that helps them navigate crowded environments, understand multiple languages, and perform specialized tasks. For example, robotic delivery systems in Japanese airports can transport luggage or food, while hospital robots assist with patient care, mobility, and medication delivery. In the U.S., many of these service robots are being tested and adopted in various sectors, driven by Japan's innovations. As American cities and institutions look for ways to improve efficiency and safety, Japan's leadership in service robotics provides a blueprint. One of the most exciting developments in Japan's robotics landscape is the integration of AI and machine learning. Robots are no longer static machines. They learn from their environment, adapt to new situations, and improve their performance over time. For example, a robot in a Japanese hospital can learn a patient's routine, preferences, and health status, providing personalized care and support. This level of sophistication is already influencing robotics research and development. In the United States, American companies and universities are collaborating with Japanese firms to bring these intelligent robotic solutions across borders, aiming to solve real-world problems like elder care shortages, disaster response, and manufacturing efficiency. Now let's delve into some of the key companies leading Japan's robotics revolution in 2026. FANUC remains a dominant force, providing industrial robots used worldwide. Their latest robotic arms are equipped with AI for real-time quality control and predictive maintenance. reducing downtime and increasing productivity for factories across the US and Japan. Honda's Asumo, now more advanced, serves in hospitality and healthcare, delivering assistance and companionship with highly realistic interactions. SoftBank's Pepper continues to be a popular humanoid robot for customer engagement, with enhancements in emotional recognition and conversational AI. But what are the challenges Japan faces in maintaining its leadership in robotics? Cost is a significant factor, as advanced robots require substantial investment and maintenance. There's also the challenge of social acceptance. How comfortable are people with robots performing sensitive tasks, like caregiving or medical support? Japan is actively working to address these challenges through government initiatives and public engagement. They're promoting standards for robot safety and ethics, ensuring that robotics technology benefits society without causing harm or displacing humans unnecessarily. Toyota is investing heavily in robotics for mobility and caregiving. Their humanoid robots are designed to assist in elder care, especially important given Japan's aging demographics. These robots can help with mobility, medication management, and social interaction. In the United States, collaborations with Japanese robotics firms are accelerating. American tech giants and startups are adopting Japanese innovations to improve elder care, automate manufacturing, and develop autonomous delivery systems. Looking ahead, the future of Japanese robotics in 2026 is incredibly promising. Their focus on AI integration, human-like interaction, and adaptability is setting the stage for global adoption. As robotics become more affordable and accessible, industries worldwide are poised to benefit from Japan's innovations. In the United States, the adoption of Japanese robotics is already transforming sectors like healthcare, manufacturing, logistics, and customer service. The cross-pollination of ideas and technology between Japan and the US is fostering a new era of automation that could redefine how we live and work. In conclusion, Japan's leadership in robotics in 2026 is a testament to their dedication to technological excellence, societal needs, and innovation. Their robots are not just machines. They're partners in building a smarter, more efficient future. The collaboration and competition between Japan and the United States are driving global progress, making this an exciting time for robotics enthusiasts and industry leaders alike. Thanks for joining us on this journey into Japan's robotic revolution. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the future of technology. Drop your thoughts in the comments. What do you think the future holds for robotics in the US and Japan? We'd love to hear your perspective. Until next time, stay curious, stay inspired, and keep exploring the incredible world of robotics.